Most Vivo users have encountered this situation. Vivo phone gets locked after a factory reset. However, if you've forgotten your Google account, bought a used Vivo phone, FRP can completely lock your device. On Android 6 to 15 systems, bypassing the FRP lock has become a challenge. In this video, I'll show you commonly used effective Vivo FRP unlocking tools. Be sure to watch the full video. All screen recordings in this video were captured using Focus-C. Method 1. Remove Vivo FRP with Google account.
This method is safe and reliable, but requires the original Google account associated with your Vivo device.
Open Google's Find My website. Sign in to the original Google account associated with your Vivo device. Locate your Vivo device locked by FRP. Select Factory Reset Device. Verify by entering the Google email address and password used. All data on your Vivo phone will be removed. Method 2. FRP Online Tools. Find the FRP Bypass Online tool. Select your device type. Enter your IMEI or SN code. There's also a method to find the IMEI code here. Enter your email address. Click Unlock Now. Your Vivo device will be unlocked. However, most FRP online tools are only claimed for Samsung. If this method doesn't work, it's best to seek help from a professional Vivo FRP unlock tool. Method 3. Remove Vivo FRP with Professional FRP Unlock Tool. iMobie Droid Kit is one of the best FRP unlock tools in 2026. It completely removes the FRP lock with just a few clicks. Supports Vivo phones and tablets running Android 6 to 15, and also supports Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Realme, etc. Free download Droid Kit on your PC and select the FRP bypass mode. Connect your Vivo device with a USB cable and click on the Start button. The configuration file will be prepared for your Vivo. Click the Start to Bypass button. Select your Vivo system version and hit the Next button. Follow the instructions shown to put your Vivo in recovery mode. Click Reset and click OK. After completing, it will start to bypass the FRP lock. Once completed, your Vivo phone or tablet will restart without FRP lock. That's it. The above is a sharing of the latest and most effective Vivo FRP unlock tool in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with others. Subscribe to the channel. See you next time.